Hey wildlife lovers, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the enchanting realms of Oceania and Eurasia, where we'll uncover 25 rare and unknown animals that deserve a spotlight. While you might know your kangaroos and Siberian tigers, trust me, there's a world of hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. From bizarre adaptations to astonishing behaviors, each of these creatures plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. But wait, before we embark on this thrilling journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. You won't want to miss out on our adventures through the wonders of our planet. And if you find yourself captivated by these incredible species, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us raise awareness about biodiversity and the importance of conservation efforts. Ready to be amazed? Let's get started. Oceania, a land of unique creatures. First, kakapo. New Zealand, a land famously isolated for millions of years, is home to the kakapo, one of the most intriguing parrots on the planet. This flightless bird measures about 60 centimeters in length and is known for its striking green plumage and parrot-like features. Unlike many parrots, the kakapo is nocturnal, making it a fascinating subject for researchers studying animal behavior and adaptations to ecological niches. Second, tuatara. Another marvel endemic to New Zealand is the tuatara, regarded as a living fossil. This reptile is the last surviving member of a group that thrived alongside dinosaurs over 200 million years ago. Though it looks like a lizard, the tuatara belongs to its own order, Rhynchocephalia. One fascinating feature of this reptile is its parietal eye, a third eye located on the top of its head, which plays a role in regulating circadian rhythms and hormone production. Third, numbat. As we shift our focus to Australia, we encounter the charming numbat, a small, striped marsupial primarily found in the southwestern region of the country. These insectivorous creatures possess specialized adaptations, including long tongues designed for extracting termites from mounds. Unlike many marsupials, numbat young cling to their mother's fur, offering an extra layer of safety during foraging trips. Quart platypus. Known for its odd mix of features, the platypus is one of the most iconic mammals native to Australia. This egg-laying mammal possesses a duck-like bill, webbed feet, and a beaver-like tail, rendering it an unusual sight. Platypuses are part of a group known as monotremes, which are characterized by their unique reproductive strategy of laying eggs rather than giving live birth. Fifth, palm cockatoo. Amid the great diversity of Australian avifauna lies the palm cockatoo, a species renowned for its striking appearance. These large black cockatoos boast bright red cheek patches and large bills, distinguishing them from their more common white cousins. Often found in the rainforests of Cape York Peninsula in Australia and New Guinea, the palm cockatoo exhibits unique behaviors that intrigue ornithologists. Sixth, peacock spider. Australia is also home to the mesmerizing peacock spider, a small, colorful jumping spider found primarily in sandy areas and forests. The males boast vibrant colors and intricate patterns on their abdomens, which they raise in intricate courtship displays. These flamboyant arachnids employ a series of dances to impress potential mates, showcasing behaviors typically associated with more traditional birds of paradise. Southeast Asia, a hidden biodiversity hotspot. Yedinjisaola. Transitioning to Southeast Asia, we encounter the rare and elusive saola, sometimes referred to as the Asian unicorn. This enigmatic mammal, scientifically described only in 1993, resides in the Annamite Mountains that span Laos and Vietnam. With its long, straight horns and striking appearance, the saola has become a symbol of the region's hidden biodiversity. 8. Malayan tapir. The Malayan tapir is another intriguing inhabitant of Southeast Asia. Often characterized by its distinct black and white coloring resembling a giant panda, This large herbivore is more closely related to horses and rhinos than to pig species. Their long, flexible snouts allow them to feed on leaves, fruits, and aquatic vegetation in tropical forests and grasslands. Dokuzunchu babirusa. In the dense jungles of Indonesia, the babirusas, the wild pigs famous for their bizarrely curved tusks, capture the imagination. These tusks can grow so long that they sometimes penetrate the skin on their foreheads, a peculiar adaptation thought to play a role in mating displays. With thin, hairless skin and large, deer-like legs, babirusas have a haunting, prehistoric appearance. Onunchu Sero. Up in the mountain ranges of Southeast Asia, we find the sero, a rare animal that resembles a mix between a goat and an antelope. There are 4 distinct species of sero, primarily found across the Himalayas, India, and Southeast Asia. Their elusive nature, their habitats are often situated in steep, remote terrains, limits scientific study and public awareness. On Berinci pangolin, perhaps one of the most tragically trafficked animals in the world, the pangolin deserves a prominent mention in any discussion of Southeast Asia's wildlife. With 8 species spread across Asia and Africa, these unique mammals are distinguished by their scaly exterior, resembling armor. Their diet consists primarily of ants and termites. On Ikinci binturong. The binturong, nicknamed the bear cat, is an arboreal mammal that elicits curiosity with its unique appearance. Sporting a thick coat of black fur and a long prehensile tail, the binturong thrives in the forests of Southeast Asia. Unlike most carnivorous mammals, it has a diet that includes fruits, particularly figs, and plays a role as a seed disperser in the ecosystem. On Uchunju kugo. In the lush forests of Southeast Asia, the kugo, or flying lemur, soars through the canopy with gliding abilities quite different from those of typical primates. Despite its name, the kugo is not a lemur at all. It belongs to the order Dermoptera. Featuring a membrane stretching from its wrists to its ankles, the kugo uses this adaptation to glide between trees in search of fruits. Chiternatsti malo. Among the rarest avian species in Southeast Asia is the malo, primarily found on the isolated islands of Bhutan and Sulu in Indonesia. Known for its striking black plumage and vibrant orange-yellow underparts, the malo's breeding behavior is as unique as its appearance. Instead of incubating their eggs, these birds bury unusually large eggs, up to 5 times the size of a typical chicken egg, in warm volcanic soil or near hot springs, allowing natural geothermal heat to incubate them. Onbishinji dole. The dole is an elusive species often described as a smaller wolf. This wild dog, native to various habitats across Southeast Asia, presents a fascinating case study for animal behavior researchers. Unlike other canids, doles do not exhibit a hierarchical dominant structure. Instead, they live in clans and cooperate while hunting, often employing sophisticated communication techniques, primarily through whistles. 16th raccoon dog. An intriguing twist in the canid family, the raccoon dog is often mistaken for its namesake. Despite its raccoon-like markings, this unique species from East Asia is a close relative to foxes and domestic dogs. Raccoon dogs possess thick, luxurious fur and bushy tails, making them quite appealing. 17th golden snub-nosed monkey. The stunning golden snub-nosed monkey is another remarkable primate endemic to China. With its vibrant fur hues, ranging from golden to orange, and strikingly upturned facial features, this species epitomizes beauty and rarity in the animal kingdom. Found at high altitudes in the mountainous regions of central and southwestern China, these monkeys have developed unique adaptations to survive in the snow, making them one of the few primate species thriving in such conditions. Eurexestoista pica. Among the diverse small mammals inhabiting Asia is the pika, a charming creature closely related to rabbits and hares. Unlike its hopping relatives, the pika has a distinctive scurrying behavior, allowing it to navigate the rocky terrains of its mountainous habitats. Pikas are recognized for their ability to survive in extreme conditions, including freezing temperatures of the high-altitude environments they inhabit. On Dokuzunshu Takin. While at first glance the takin seems to blend the features of goats and sheep, this unique animal is the national animal of Bhutan and holds strong cultural significance. Found in the mountainous regions of the Himalayas, the takin possesses a robust build, long legs, and a shaggy coat that is well suited to cold environments. Eurasia, a diversity of lesser-known wildlife. 20th Indian giant squirrel. Home to an extraordinary range of biodiversity, India is also the habitat of the Indian giant squirrel. As one of the largest squirrel species, these animals can weigh up to 2 kilograms and reach a length of 50 centimeters. They exhibit a striking appearance, with chestnut brown fur, black and tan markings that are visually stunning against the forest backdrop. Quiatinasti jerboas. Deep within the dry ecosystems of Asia and North Africa, the jerboa has adapted remarkably to life in arid environments. These small rodents are characterized by their long hind limbs, allowing them to hop like kangaroos. Jerboas have developed a nocturnal lifestyle to avoid the heat during the day, using their large ears for excellent hearing that helps them evade predators. 22nd Eurasian capercaillie. The majestic Eurasian capercaillie stands as the largest grouse species globally, showcasing incredible courtship displays characterized by elaborate feather displays and unique vocalizations. Males weigh up to 7 kilograms and are found in the coniferous forests of Eastern Europe and Asia. Despite their remarkable beauty, these birds are little known outside their native regions. 23. Desman. Sandra the desman, a semi-aquatic mammal captured in picturesque waterways across Europe, represents an evolutionary puzzle that captures researchers' attention. Instead of the typical burrowing behavior of moles, desmans rely on their webbed feet and muscular tails to swim, showcasing their unique adaptations. 24. Olm. A true wonder of evolution, the olm is a cave-dwelling amphibian found exclusively in the freshwater habitats of the northeastern Adriatic Sea. Characterized by its small size and nearly blind eyes, this unique creature navigates its dark environment primarily through its sense of smell and electroreception, using specialized sensory cells to detect movement in the water. Kvinnenogtyvende Sheltopusik. Lastly, we meet the Sheltopusik, the world's longest species of legless lizard. Its appearance can be deceptive as it resembles a snake, yet it remains a member of the lizard family. The Sheltopusik can grow up to 1.35 meters in length, often showcasing impressive coloration. When threatened, this reptile has the curious ability to drop its tail, a strategy that allows it to escape predation while distracting potential threats. The exploration of these 25 rare and lesser-known animals from Oceania and Eurasia unveils a rich tapestry of biodiversity that often goes unnoticed. Each species represents a unique evolutionary journey, showcasing nature's creativity in adapting to diverse environments and ecological challenges. However, threats such as habitat loss, climate change, and poaching loom over many of these remarkable creatures, emphasizing the urgent need for conservation efforts. By raising awareness, supporting conservation initiatives, and advocating for biodiversity protection, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the extraordinary wildlife that inhabits our planet. By embracing the stories of the kakapo, tuatara, and their fellow inhabitants as champions of biodiversity, we can collectively advocate for their survival and that of the countless creatures that share our world. Together, let's highlight the necessity of safeguarding these hidden gems of the animal kingdom and foster appreciation for the wonders of nature, celebrating the remarkable diversity that enriches our lives.